Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to knit the moss stitch pattern. I wish you could feel how textured this is. It's just very amazing. So to get started, you are going to need to know how to cast on and how to knit and purl. I have linked those down in the description below if you need help with those. So to start off, you want to cast on any multiples in the odds. So for this I have 9, and we're going to start off by doing a knit followed by a purl. And that is the repeat for the whole entire row, is just knit 1, purl 1. So knit and purl. So since you cast on an odd number for this pattern, when you get to the last stitch, you will knit. So the repeat to get your desired look is you just repeat row 1. So let's see it again. You start off by knitting, and then you purl in the next stitch. Again, it's a knit and then a purl. And you do this all the way to the end of the row and then finish off your row with a knit. And that is it. Very easy. That is how you do the moss stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.